Hello YouTube and fellow reefers. I have a little update, I guess, a little bit of maintenance as well. Basically went to feed my tank, put my pause button on for 30 minutes, and when I went to go start it back up, I heard like grinding sounds, and I have not done any maintenance to this skimmer whatsoever. Basically, when I turned it on, heard the grinding, said uh-oh, but I've also heard this before prior to today. Turned it back on, turned it off, they went up, and then turned it back on, and then it went, grinding stopped. So today I said, what the hell, let me figure out what exactly is going on, because I had a bunch of little snails starting to grow in here. So I pulled out at least 15 or 20 of them. There's still some debris, probably some snails down in there, but I got most of them. And then started taking this apart, and I never thought I would have to really drain this, but anyway, so I got this hose and basically just shoved it into that fitting right there, if you can see that. Let's see, I got a flashlight here, into this fitting here. That's way too bright. Okay, there you go. And basically drained it out, opened it all up, and found basically all of those shells stuck inside the impeller. So they're all shoved inside of those little grits in there. So I picked them all out, and there's got to be at least 20 of them there. So yeah, kind of cool when you have baby snails everywhere. Kind of sucks when it starts screwing up a $400 pump. So start hearing this grinding sound, this might be it. So yeah, just a little quick update. I've done a couple of things here. Got my dosing on right now, which is doing my calc over here in the big gallon, or four almost 5 gallons. Finally made this melamine, my own controller box here. So nothing fancy. This is the first box I ever made out of melamine. Used these things that you buy at Home Depot to after you cut it, so you don't have this ugliness. Trimmed it with a chisel. My saw cuts weren't perfect, but yeah, whatever. Who cares? Uh-oh. Start dropping stuff. Anyway, this is where it's at. I'm always in progress of making it better, but man only has so much money he can spend on his hobbies. So anyway, just a quick update. Was in the middle of this, and I thought, you know what, I should just share this so that if anybody else has this happen to them, they can maybe learn from it. Anyway, see you later, YouTube.